Today we got a 2008 Dodge Ram and it's only got 25,000 miles on it. That's pretty wild. But the customer lost the keys, so we want to go ahead and we want to program 2 extra keys to the vehicle so they have the capability of driving the car. So we're going to do Dodge. Here we go. Let's stick the key we just made into the car. And let's go to Dodge.
Okay, you got a little. Just called me about coming into work early.
All right, that's good.
Yeah, I guess.
I mean,
if I wanted to go at all. But yes, I guess I do.
all right.
Been a little slow since with the holidays here. So let me see. I only worked. Oh man, just yesterday. So far this week. So I guess I can finish the last couple of days of the week.
Right.
I might as well. At least I'll get some money.
All right, 2008 Dodge Ram.
Yeah, man. Actually, I had seen the guy previously, and it was I think he only had 8,000. I think I saw him about 2 years before he was trying to sell it, and he only had about below 10,000 miles. It was an old dude, and he wanted $8,000 for it then, and I was
Wow.
like, I want it, but I didn't really want it that much.
Right.
Then a couple of years later, I saw him, and he went down to 5,000, and at that point he had like 19,000 on it. And I said, okay, 5,000 sounds a little better.
That's
because
amazing.
It's only 19,000 miles.
All right, now, hold on. Now, your other keys won't work to the car after this, all right?
Okay, well, yeah,
Okay.
I don't know where. I only had that one, so I don't know where it is anyway. Because you see on those keys, they got that little thing on the side to hold it on your key ring, and it broke off. So that's why it was loose. Well, you go to locksmith school or something for this?
I was working at a locksmith shop, so I learned at the locksmith shop. Meaning, like, everything I learned was, in shop, and I've been working for a number of years already.
Okay.
And all the parts in these keys are all original OEM. Like, you'll see the shell has no logo on it, right? But the insides, the internal, is all original.
Okay.
And number of keys now programmed to the car is two keys. So it means both of those were successful. And once we're done this process, number of keys too, perfect. So now this should, you hear that?
Okay.
And that's 1, and let's just get that 2, and we'll start the car as well. That's key number 1. And key number 2. Amazing. All right, 2 keys programmed to 2008 Dodge Ram.